normally what is expected is that when one person is using a network, there will not be problem. 2 people, there will not be problem. 10 people, 100 people, or 1 million people. Now, because of the fact that you pay for more machines that you start in AWS, what happens is that you don't start millions or hundreds of computers at once. You start with one. So this is the backend server that stores your information. You start with one. If one person initially, let's say on the day of the election, you start with one computer. And all these things happen automatically. You don't need to do them manually. You start with one computer. As the load continues increasing, more people start logging in and trying to upload information. What autoscaling does is that depending on the usage of the network, let's say you have configured it that when 10 people are connecting, it should start a new computer. The autoscaling, which you have configured as part of the design, will automatically do this for you. Now, what a load balancer does is that if more people are connecting, instead of everyone connecting to just one server, the load balancer knows how to distribute people that are connecting to different servers on this network in such a way that no single computer in the network will be overloaded. So you will not have glitch because you have configured it in such a way that when more people are connecting and the network is becoming slow, it automatically starts a new computer. And new people that are connecting to this computer automatically connects to a new type of computer. So there will not be congestion in the network. So, and then this load balancing and the auto scaling still saves cost for you, because even though you have told AWS that you are going to use a 100 system for your election, it doesn't mean that you're going to pay them for these 100 systems upfront. It means that you could use, but in the end, they're only going to charge you for what you actually used. So if you do load testing, you are going to know whether a maximum of 50 computer can take all the polling units that are uploading the result. So of course, you make budget for that, but that doesn't mean you are going to use all that money. What is important as we're talking about here is that we have a feature in AWS that enables you to either scale up or to scale out depending on the number of people connecting to your network. Scaling up is increasing the CPU size, increasing the RAM size. Scaling out is like adding more machines to the network, to the back-end server. So this is how auto-scaling and load balancing works. Load balancing is distributing the load to different servers such that there will be no congestion. Auto-scaling means bringing up new computers or increasing the size of existing computers as the network load increases. So irrespective of what is happening, there won't be glitch if you have followed the right design to make your network to be highly available.